Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy green soup. We've had green smoothies forever, but maybe you haven't introduced green soup into your life. So if you haven't, this is a super easy soup that's full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and will support your natural detoxification pathways. I hope you enjoy.
Now I want to show you guys how to chop an onion. First you take the ends off, then you chop it in half. This is a super easy way to chop an onion. You just peel the outside off from there, and this makes it easy to cut. So you start by slicing it. It doesn't have to be super thin for this soup, but then you turn it and you go back the other way. So it makes a cross pattern. And this is a super easy way to dice an onion. Now I'm going to teach you how to chop the zucchini. You want to chop the ends off. For this soup, you can leave the skin on the zucchini and just cut it in little coins. And then they can be thick coins because we're going to actually puree the soup. So you just chop them roughly like this. This is a super easy way to peel turmeric root. Just use the back of a spoon and scrape all the skin off. Next, you just use a grater and just grate it into the soup. You do the same for a lemon. To get zest and get the flavor, you just use a grater and take a little bit off the outside on the skin. Raw apple cider vinegar will help with detoxification and help with digestion. And this is one of my favorite kitchen tools of all time. You just leave it in the pot.
I hope you enjoyed this super simple green soup for spring. And if you want more recipes like this, be sure and check out the meal prep membership. You've got the recipe below and the link to the meal prep memberships.